In this video I'm going to show you a link to full tutorial for Apache Cassandra version 3 NoSQL database, where you can get full version for few money. So basically website for this tutorial, and not just for this one, dtech-academy.thinkific.com. So this is landing page, and if you see here currently we have one published tutorial for just $9.99, and if you scroll down you can see this is me. I am trainer and founder dtech Academy. You can sign for updates in this form. So if you go here, we can get free preview of some lectures, for example first introduction lecture and installing Cassandra lecture using SQL shell, Cassandra SQL, and creating keyspaces. This is basically preview and extension of a free video session. So basically you just need to go, for example, for one session, and you need to sign first to get access to free preview, or you can go and buy course right away. After you sign up, you will get option to pay with PayPal, but you can use any credit card. It doesn't mean that you need to have PayPal account. So feel free to buy my course Cassandra database by navigating to this link.